Alright guys, the second step in making your lawn a masterpiece. Okay, the first step was the soil. The second step is to choose the correct turf type. Set your lawn up for success, not to fail. The first thing to know, how much direct sunlight does the lawn get throughout the growing season? During the wintertime, this can be deceiving since the trees typically drop their leaves and allow way more sunlight through. Different turf grasses definitely perform better than others depending on the amount of sunlight that they receive. So make sure your turf grass has the right conditions to thrive. Here are our turf grasses and the average amounts of sunlight that each one requires. Bermuda grass, 8 to 10 hours of sunlight a day. Zoysia, 4 to 6 hours. Fescue, about 2 to 4. St. Augustine, 4 to 6 hours. And Centipede Grass, 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. I will say there are more varieties on the market today that could take more sun or shade, so you need to know your specific variety. Also know how temperature sensitive your grass actually is. For example, something like a St. Augustine lawn on the Florida coast will not survive in Wisconsin. The main thing is don't try to stick a round peg into a square hole. Guys, follow these tips and this will drastically improve your chances for success on the lawn. Now, let's keep growing.